Number 2 of fifth Sunday. Overall, it is going to be match number 18. And we have the captains of Design Dental Masters and HP Strikers over here. Am I right? Can we know your name as well for the viewers?
Aditya Bhasin, captain for Design Dental Masters.
All right, and the other captain is?
Ankit Kapoor from HP Strikers.
Enjoying the tournament?
Definitely.
Okay, time for toss. Very, very quickly. You have the coin, and he's going to call. Heads is the call. Heads it is. Captain, name of the team and what's your decision?
Design Dental Masters will like to bowl first.
Okay, I request both to shake hands. Toss done. Design Dentals have decided to... Nice looking on drive. In fact, it's a straight drive. Will it find the gap? Yes, it will.
5-7.
Short arm jab. Ball going to mid wicket, deep mid wicket. And sky blue for the batting side. This time making no mistake. Long on under the ball. Will take a catch. Ball going behind the keeper. Third man doing the backup. One more run. That's Cow's corner area. High up in the air, long on, long off. Can't stop it, it's bouncing over. Lovely shot. Ball. Pull shot, handsomely played away. On your face, on your chest. Shot! Gone miles! What a shot! And in bowler is Sunil Gogia. What a flick shot! What a fantastic connect and what a... Pull shot, hooked away, mid-wicket, drops a catch. And that's been launched away into covers on the back. Flick shot. That's a wide ball outside leg stump. Easy put away. 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर 9.5 ओवर में एक बार फिर से फ्लिक किया इसको बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से.
ऑटो कर उसको.
And what a biggie, what a biggie. 6 runs over long on. Bottom edge, ball gone behind the keeper. It's likely to cross the boundary line. And this is high up. New batsman Kanik. Kanik taking his guard, regular. Flick shot. Flick shot. Will find the gap and travel away to. This is played high up. Will go for a save. Playing it to long off. And misfield. Jasper getting close to his 100. Achhi gend. Yorker thi. 13 ball, 21 run partnership. Current run rate 10.89. Smashed away over covers. One. Hits it high, hits it long off. Takes the catch, long off. Shot fine leg. Drop. Shot fine leg. Drops a easy catch and Naman the bowler. Bowler, batsman and man of the match. One more catch. No difficulty in pulling the ball away to good fielding by short mid wicket and a run out. Both the batsmen in one end. Both the batsmen in one end. This is tragedy. In the fourth over itself, a run out is just not done. 12 for 2. Trying the flick shot, flicked it away to deep fine leg. Batsman not even trying to take a. That's going away towards the boundary field. Cut shot in the air but safe. It's into the gap. Third man running a little late. Edition 4. Shot fine leg, or in fact deep fine leg, waiting for the ball near the boundary line. 1 run. And falling short of long on and whoa! Master batsman. Lovely cover drive, lofted cover drive. That's going to be 2 bounces out of the cover boundary. 10th over. Lovely shot to deep mid wicket.
I am the owner.
He's a team owner. अच्छा, you're the team owner. Fine.
आ जाना तू इधर आ. एक काम करते हैं.
हाँ, आप center में रहो. Guest will be in the center. Captain can come onto the right extreme, so people know that you both are. So kindly face the camera. Friends, Sukoon by Accra and Business Owners Premier League Season 4 is happening every Sunday. This is the 5th Sunday of the tournament, and this is the time for the toss-up of the 19th match. But here we have the special guest. He's the owner of a team, so let's get talking to him, get his introduction. Sir, the mic is with you. Kindly tell us about your team and yourself as well.
My team name is KV Super Giants, and I'm the owner. And we're basically into the category of specialty coatings, like we've done the flooring for Rafael and all. And we're looking here for a good game together. Although we'll be playing with 10 players today, but I think our 10 would be equal to 100. And let's hope for a good match and enjoy the tournament.
One thing you forgot is to mention your name.
I am Vikas Sehgal.
Good
Super
to
Giants. The
good-
KV Super Giants.
Good to have you here for the
Pleasure,
toss, and
pleasure.
wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And we'll also know the names of the captain. Captain, your name.
Mukul.
And
Ekansh.
the toss-up is the 19th match. United Warriors versus KVE Super Giants. Which captain wants to call?
You want to call?
All right.
Call Kanch. Heads.
Tails it is. Captain, for the viewers, once again, name of your team and what's your decision?
My decision is we choose to bat.
Lovely pull shot. A format cricket tournament. 4 matches every Sunday. This is the 5th Sunday of the tournament. Lovely ball. 3 overs, 12 runs, 2 wickets. Viraj Gupta smashes that. Lovely pull shot. This is catch put down. Last ball of the inning, score 95 for 8. And stumping done. End of. Okay, we're starting with this match. Design Dental Masters could make only 95. They were given a target of 159 by HP Strikers. So let's clap for HP Strikers for winning the match handsomely. Our special guest, we call upon Mr. Amandeep, team owner of United Warriors, and Mr. Vikas Sehgal, team owner of KVE Super Giants, to kindly be available here to give away the awards. Kindly welcome them both with claps, please. And Saransh also, please. And Swati, ma'am. A lady among all so many men makes it glamorous. So you're welcome. Kindly come here. Both come here. Right. So to begin with, as usual, we are giving away 4 awards. But would we like to talk to the captains first? Let's talk to the captains first. Captains are required to come here, please. Captain's talk, yeah. So kindly come. Sir, share your feelings. How did you enjoy the match? Low scoring, but one side it was high scoring, on the other side not so many runs, only 95. 158 on one end and 95 on the other. So take the mic and share your feelings, starting with you, sir.
So it was a real tough game today for us, and a lot of things to learn from today's match. And we somehow fell short of few strategies which backfired. And I think we had a good control initially when we took their 2 wickets, and then somehow leaked too many runs, which eventually led to a score of 158 from their side. And then we really fell short on chasing the score, well short of it.
Looking at the weather, this is an afternoon match, so the weather, did it play any kind of a downside effect on your players? Would you feel that is one of the reasons? Was anyone exhausted, or weather was not at all an issue?
See, there should not be any excuses. If you lose, you lose. But yeah, definitely we are not the professional players at all, and the young players in the team definitely don't have that kind of a toll with the weather. But yes, at this age, we definitely feel it. क्या कहते हो विकास भाई?
Right, we talk to the other captain over here. Captain, take the mic, share your feelings.
It's again, we again stick to the basics, and that's what we did in this match also. Initially in the first 6 overs. In the first 6 overs, there was not much of scoring in terms of 4s and 6s, but yes, we managed to pull it out later, so that was the strategy. So it was right in place.
What's the next thing for you in the tournament, for your team?
Next match, new beginning. It's a new strategy.
Taking one match at a time. Thank you, both the captains. Kindly clap for both the captains, please. Thank you very much. Moving ahead, it's time to give away 4 awards. Calling upon the best fielder of the match, Kanik, with 2 catches. And ma'am, you're requested here, sir. Kindly do the honors. There comes the trophies and the cups. Kanik, 2 brilliant catches, is the fielder of the match.